Hi, my name is Ashley Bowers. I'm a teacher at Ashley Ridge High in Summerville. I am part of the South Carolina Financial Literacy Master Teacher First Cohort, and I'm filming this video in collaboration with the South Carolina Treasurer's Office in celebration of April Financial Literacy Month. So this tip applies to anyone who is starting a new job or changing careers. And my advice is to begin investing in your company's retirement plan as soon as you start that new job. So you will never miss the money because you will never see it in your paycheck. And if you start investing early, then your money will have an opportunity to grow exponentially over the course of your career.
My favorite financial literacy tip would be pay yourself first. For many adults, we like to wait until the very end of the month and save whatever's left. And that's not always the best approach. If we pay ourselves first, meaning we set aside money for savings at the very beginning of the month, we're able to stick to our financial plan and continue to make progress towards our long-term financial goals. So always remember to pay yourself first. No matter how hard it is, pay yourself first.
My favorite financial tip is to buy quality stocks, reinvest the dividends. If the stock goes down and it's still fundamentally a good investment, buy more so you can lower your average or your dollar cost averaging, and just hold, buy and hold.
Happy Financial Literacy Month!